What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Grim Runner. It's your boy Clef. We back at it again with another video today. Now today we about to go ahead and bust out another install. I actually already have this mod on my car, but when my car got broken into, they pretty much damaged it. They pretty much actually damaged both of them. So today we gonna be installing brand new puddle lights, but this time it's a totally different design. I could not find the RT puddle lights again, so you got to stick to the end of the video to see what the new lights look like. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you go ahead and you smash that thumbs up. Make sure you go ahead and subscribe, and let's go ahead and jump right into it. Let's get it. All right, y'all, so let's go ahead and jump right into it. I just wanted to show y'all really quick what the new product looks like. Well, the actual box. I'm actually gonna put the link for this particular one in the description if y'all interested, because I have not seen anybody with this particular puddle light yet. And once again, the reason for me replacing the puddle lights is because they got damaged. So I'm gonna go ahead and put it up on the screen right now for y'all to see. On the driver's side of the car, the RT, you can still see it, but it's a crack ring around the entire puddle light, so pretty much needs to get replaced out. The passenger side is not that bad. As you can see, it got a small crack. But yeah, just the type of stuff that you deal with when you got to deal with thieves, and they don't think about the different things that they could damage when they tampering with y'all car. But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all real quick, so we gonna go ahead and jump right into the install, and then make sure you stick to the end of the video so you can see what the new lights look like. All right, so I done bust open a new box already, and I mean, it's the same setup. Oh, the good thing about this one is at least they give you a little they give you a little screwdriver to pop the light out, but it's literally same exact thing, just a different type of light. I'm just hoping that this particular brand is pretty good. But yeah, we go check it out. So we about to go down here and get dirty. Real simple. Y'all already seen the previous video, but it should be just as simple. Pop this thing out. Oh shit, you know what? I need to make sure I'm looking at which one is the right and which one is the left. So yeah, make sure if you buy this, you want to look at the sticker. This is the most important thing. You want to look at the sticker and make sure you putting the proper one on. So this is the right side, so we go put this. Oh no, I'm tripping. This is the left side right here for the driver's side. Yeah, it's been a long day for me, but yeah, we will go ahead and we go pop this in place real quick. And it's the same thing. Let me make sure this thing, I've been having these things in for a minute, should just pop out. Yeah, just as simple. Hopefully these things fit. Say it's supposed to be for this model, but we go see. Oh wow, yep, perfect fit. All right, y'all, so I just wanted to show y'all this real quick. Definitely tried to break in on the left side because it was so hard getting this pulled out on the excuse me, I keep saying the left side, I'm tripping out. On the passenger side, on the right side, it was so hard getting this one out, and as soon as I actually got the fixture out, the thing just crumbled. So it was actually broken on the inside in pieces. All right, y'all, so that's gonna wrap it up for the install portion of the video. We go come back out here later on tonight, and we go do the big reveal on the new lights. Like I said, I have not seen any of the car with them, but then again, I have not been looking at mod videos on YouTube in a minute, just because I've been trying to figure out things for my channel, for my own channel. But you know, somebody else might have them. But I think these lights are a great representation of the car, and I think y'all really go like them. So I don't want to take too much of y'all time. Like I said, we gonna be back out here tonight, and I'm gonna do the big reveal. All right, y'all, so it's nighttime, so it's time to reveal the lights. I already did a quick preview, and you know what, I really like it. The image is a little bit small. It's just smaller than the RT, but I still like it. So go ahead and open up the passenger side, and voila. So we got the Challenger with the Dodge symbol, and I think that's pretty dope. We'll come around to the driver's side real quick. I haven't looked at this one yet, but we go check this one out and see what it do. Yeah, actually, you know what? Now that I take that, I kind of take that back a little bit. So it looks a little bit small, but as you actually open the door and it expand, you can kind of see right here, I really don't got that much room to open my door. So I think that's kind of why the image looked a little bit small, but nah, man, it's actually fire. I like it a lot. All right, y'all, so that's gonna wrap it up for the video. I appreciate y'all for sticking through and watching. You can get this particular model on Amazon for about $24.99. The link will be in the description. So if you enjoyed the video, make sure you go ahead and you smash that thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll be back with another one.